just having my second coffee of the day. Is from Honor. I think it's a special edition beans, so you can only get it during Christmas times. Tastes super good. I think a brandy flavor, super smooth, goes really well with milk. It's full milk based. Today I'm having almond milk. Usually I have a mix of soy and almond, but I think the soy milk went out and forgot to pick those up. But yeah, I try not to have more than 2 a day because I noticed that it does affect my sleep. Now I got the new Apple Watch, I can track my sleep, and yeah, I noticed I haven't been sleeping well if I drink more than 2. Came back from physio, foot is going alright. For context, I got injured again. Okay, so backstory about this is last year I did a obstacle course called Spartan Run. After that, I injured my foot. So I was out for a couple of months until my physio helped me to get back on track. Everything was fine. And I also did a 5K trial run using Runner. So after that, I did like a post-race recovery plan, which was super chill. Like, I didn't really run much during those 3 weeks. But after that, I signed up for a maintenance plan because I'm gonna be doing a half marathon this year. The first week, it was telling me to run like a 15K. So I went from like 5K trial, pretty much not running for 3 weeks, and then go all the way up to 15K. And because I thought Runner would be a reliable source, I just ran with it, and that's how I injured my foot once again. So right now I'm slowly rehabbing again, but the half marathon is gonna be in May, so I still have plenty of time. But man, I mean, I wish I can get back to training as soon as I can. I think the goal right now is just to recover. Once I recover, I will think about the next step, which is just to finish a half marathon, because the longest distance I've ran so far is 15K. So I just wanna make it to 21K without stopping. And if I can achieve that, then I can think about, okay, maybe I can take my speed to the next level or something like that. But yeah, right now I'm gonna do some work before I head out. But it's finally stopped raining. I was hoping to pick up a journal because this is something that I've been thinking of doing for many years. Haven't been doing it consistently. So I'm hoping this year is gonna be the year. I mean, I know this year is gonna be the year. So I'm gonna be consistent in journaling. Also, probably gonna clean up for a bit first because it's such a mess. Looking much better. I think a clean space does give me that sense of peace. It helps me to focus a bit more. But sometimes I'm just too lazy, and I feel like there are a lot of things I don't have a designated space for it. So that's why it's always messy. Like, I don't really know where I can put these. So I got 3 hard disks at the moment. This is the new one. I bought this because this one was failing. This is where I store everything in. If it fails, my life is over. So I had to quickly move everything from that to here. And I didn't know this one thing, that we should always be editing on the SSD. This is the thing that I found out after it was about to fail, which my friend told me. So now I'm editing all my stuff on here. These are all only for storage. Okay, just wrapping up with the video. Took me around an hour. So recently I've been really conscious about how I spend my time. So I like using Pomodoro timer to record the time that I spend. Yeah, just to get a better idea on how I spend my time, because time is really precious. This little cutie just watching me work. Almost 3 p.m. Let's get ready to head out. Okay, this is day 6 of talking straight to the camera for 1 minute. The anti-filter that I'm using is the free world real locking system. The only problem is the diameter is so big on my lens. So it makes it very hard to fit it in my bag every single time. So I just came back from Milligram and bought this notebook and a pen. I was trying to write my first journal entry yesterday, but the notebook and the pen I got were, I don't know which one, or maybe both. It was just really hard to write on. It was hurting my fingers so much when I only wrote like a paragraph or so. Then suddenly I remembered the pen that I was trying in Milligram. It was super nice. So I went in and bought these. So hopefully I can stay consistent with my journaling. Good morning. I just finished my gym session and did a bit of cleanup. Now I'm gonna make myself a morning coffee. Today's plan, I'll be filming a new video for next week and also gonna work on some of my clients' reels. That is the plan for today. If I have more time, I'll work on other secret stuff. Let's put it that way. Yeah. So in the morning, I like to drink black coffee because I'm still fasting. I usually eat around lunchtime, so that will be my first meal. And to be honest, the coffee kind of tastes better when it's black with ice. If you haven't tried it, I think you should. Oh wait, I shouldn't be using these. I should be using the other beans because these ones are for milk based. I let the water flow a bit too long. It was a bit diluted. Yeah, that's the word. So this video is going to be about what I earned in my first year as a content creator. I haven't even figured out my video titles or thumbnails yet. So I think before that, I'm going to start brainstorming some ideas for those and then come up with a structure of the main points I want to talk about. Like, I don't think I need to follow a script for this one. It's pretty straightforward, but yeah, having that structure will save me time when it comes to filming. One thing that I do want to say is I use AI for video title ideas. It just makes it so much easier, especially I'm not the best at creative writing. I mean, I do have that theme and sort of like an initial video title, but with AI, I can come up with a better title. Unfortunately, YouTube is a platform where you have to click and watch, and video titles are important as well as the thumbnail. And recently I've been using Claude for more of my AI work, especially with script writing and video titles ideas, because I heard they're better at that comparing to ChatGPT. I mean, their suggestions are quite good. I do find they are a bit better when it comes to script writing because I've been using that for my clients' work recently. And yeah, that's the feeling that I'm getting right now. Okay, so I was just trying to film my next video for the past 2 hours, but I just didn't know what I was talking about. I just kept rambling. That's why preparation is so important when you make a video, otherwise you're just wasting your time. I did have the structure, but as I talked through it, I just noticed there are a lot of details that I'm missing, and I don't want to do like a half-assed video. If I'm gonna make a video, I want to provide some values rather than just rambling, wasting everyone's time, including me. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do more planning before I start filming again. So probably gonna move my filming session to tomorrow. Just finished filming my next video. I think it took me around 40 minutes, which is not bad. It's quite quick, to be honest. Usually it takes me like over an hour. So you can see how important pre-production is. It took me like an hour to structure the whole thing before I start. So yeah, if you want to save time, make sure to work on your pre-production. So I just received a package from Planck, super tiny SSD, as well as this creator hub. I don't really know what this is, but yeah, I'm just gonna test it out. And if you guys are interested, just let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you. Hey, no, you don't do that. Super tiny. Oh, sure. I forgot I'm still using the old iPhone, so the USB-C connector doesn't work with my phone. Oh my god. But I mean, I can still use it on my laptop, so no worries. Oh, you can even put it on your camera. Too bad that I'm still using the A6700, so I wouldn't be able to use it on my camera either. Pretty solid. The feeling is quite nice. Like, reminds me of the MacBook, the unibody. So it's been over a week since I started journaling, and I think it's going pretty well. I'm still trying to find the optimal time on when I should do it. I tried doing it before sleeping, but I always feel tired, so I changed it to morning and found doing it in the morning is a bit better, but then I start to lose memories of what happened the previous day. So yeah, still trying to figure out when is the best time to do it. One thing that really helps is I just leave the notebook and the pen on my desk. I don't move it, I don't put it away. It's always there because I'm always on my computer desk. This is an easy way for me to remember to do that every single day. So it's been working well. And yeah, the new pen and the notebook definitely helps It makes the writing experience so much better. Totally worth it. So yeah, I'm pretty confident this can become my new habit in 2026. I'll give you guys an update towards the end of the year. And that is all for today. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if you can leave a pen emoji if you watch until this part, I really do appreciate you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.